Hey traders, welcome to the daily recap for October 27, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. Obviously, some earnings just came out. Apple and Amazon both had some pretty bad earnings. Obviously, both are down on it. Apple, I think, will probably stay within 5-point range. Amazon, on the other hand, we'll see if we can get a little bit more of a bounce. Did get a pretty decent guide down, so that's why it obviously got a big pull outside of its $10 implied volatility move. Market obviously down on that as well. So I'm thinking 373 on the SPY, guys. Just an FYI. Tomorrow 373.52 is where I got room 2 on the SPX. Anywho, let's take a look at what we did today. Just a little brief kind of overview for you. A couple things that we did on the long side. Equity, we didn't do too much on the equity side, but what we did do was some pretty decent trades. WST long out the gate, 14 points. Tesla long out the gate, we got 4 points on that one. Meta, we were short for 2.5 points at the end of the day there. Apple, we were short for 2 points at the beginning of the day. Nvidia long for 1 point intraday. And lastly, we had some EPIX long for about a point. We also did trade HRCT, or HCRT, I think it was. Let me just find it. It was I'm just looking at my trades. HTCR. Small one for about 15 cents to the upside on the flag break, and then we got stopped out the rest at the entry area. So that was okay. It was not, crazy trade by any means, but, not bad. Other than that, we did try some BHVN that didn't work on the equity side. Option side, a little bit of a different story. I came in today with some Meta 100 puts up 1,500%. That was great. Covered them right at the out the gate. SPX 3800, 3790 puts. That was a vertical spread that we laddered into. And we got 2,500% on that. BA, right at the open of the day, I had conviction on it. I said it to the room, 140 calls, grab them. And we got 302% on those. We had the 143s for 100%. And we also had the 150 calls for next week. That went up about 40% on those, which is nice. We did a whole bunch of SPX trading intraday. At the end of the day, we did do a SPX 3820 call. Got a nice bounce on that for 94%. We did the 38-35 calls intraday, and we got 105% on those. Then we had some little scalps like 24-25% here and there on the SPX intraday. All in all, guys, really good day of trading. Very happy with it. We'll see what happens tomorrow. It's going to be extremely busy Lotto Friday with all these big names reporting, and we'll kind of just go from there. So that's it, guys. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Any questions, feel free to reach out, spartantrading.com. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a good one. Talk to you later.